Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can become Temu seller. So first step, you need to open Temu website and you need to log in into your account first. Wait for few seconds and after that I'm going to show you the complete process that what you need to follow to become seller on the Temu. So now go into your account. So I mean go on my profile. So once you are on your profile, you need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see option of partner with Temu. Click on that and here you can see that Temu works with a variety of business partners and service providers to bring more affordable quality products to consumer. So here you can see that if you are merchandise partner that want to sell on to the Temu, so here you can see Temu code of conduct outline standards for conducting business in an ethical, lawful and responsible way. Please also click here to see our list of prohibited products. If you want to sell prohibited products, you need to click here. And here you can see for merchandise partners, please email. So you simply need to email to the Temu here and inform to the Temu team that you want to sell on to the Temu, and you can give brief detail about your products, and after that they help you to register on to the Temu. So this is a process how you can become Temu seller. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.